After getting here on the scene as an all-new electrical car in 2022, the upcoming 2024 Lucid Air is expected to be a carryover version. We do not expect to see any large modifications with the Air for the new model year. As a carryover vehicle, the 2024 Lucid Air must preserve the same outside design as the vehicle that's currently for sale. The current Air features a contemporary, upscale layout that helps it flow through the air. The easy front end features razor-thin front lights, smooth edges, as well as deep intermediaries that assist network air across the car's body. At the back, the Air attributes rounded edges, tail lights that are attached to appear like a single piece, as well as noticeable lines on the bumper. The inside of the existing Lucid Air flaunts a high-end appearance that's teeming with tech. The control panel is dominated by a total amount of 34 inches of display screens that are positioned throughout the cabin. The majority of the displays lie in front of the motorist, while one more large central touchscreen that can swivel as well as is power retractable is found in the facility of the dash. Due to the Air's interior design, the car uses an enormous amount of room for travelers, while the car includes high-end products. The absence of physical controls, two-pronged steering wheel, as well as structured dashboard aid the Air fit in with various other high-end EVs. Lucid isn't expected to make any type of modifications to the Air's interior decoration for 2024. Lucid packs the Air with some sophisticated attributes. The current Air's checklist of basic features should continue to be the very same for the 2024 design year. The present Air includes a 34-inch screen, a power retractable touchscreen, cordless Apple CarPlay, Android Car, a Wi-Fi hotspot, 4 USB ports, a cordless billing pad, navigation, as well as 10 audio speakers. The Lucid Air stands apart in the EV section as having the most variety of any type of electric auto on market. Furthermore, the Air boasts some extraordinary efficiency figures. The base Air comes with a single electrical motor on the back wheels that makes 480 horsepower and also an 88 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Greater trims come with double electrical motors and a larger 112 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Result for dual motor models peaks at 1050 horsepower. The range-topping Sapphire trim includes 3 electric motors for 1200 horsepower. The variety for the Lucid Air ranges from 410 miles approximately 516 miles. Powertrains are anticipated to go unmodified for 2024. Lucid isn't anticipated to make any kind of changes to the Air's list of conventional security features for 2024. The electric car currently includes a head as well as turnaround crash caution, automated emergency braking, pedestrian detection, unseen area surveillance, back cross traffic alert, lane departure caution, lane keeping help, web traffic indicator acknowledgement, vehicle parking sensors, as well as park help. Readily available security features consist of highway assist, a surround view vehicle parking cam, and a sophisticated Degree 3 semi-autonomous system.